welcome back to our channel.
Thanks for stopping by, guys.
And as you know, it's Christmas, so we have to come and wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. And we haven't been vlogging a lot since the last couple weeks, but because we're busy with work and etc. But we're here to say thank you guys for all your support throughout the year, and we appreciate you guys.
And thank you for sharing all those special moments with us. So as we come to the end of the year, we're looking to do nice stuff next year, interesting stuff. We're just looking to grow more and keep coming with the best quality that we can find. So thank you for your continued support. We really appreciate it.
Yes guys, so basically we're not going to be here talking for much longer, but in this video we'll be sharing a bit of what we've been up to in the last few days coming up to Christmas. And of course we're going to invite you with what Christmas dinner. Yeah, we're going to invite you to share our Christmas meal with us. So enjoy our little video. Welcome to our channel if you're joining us for the first time, and subscribe for on your notification bell, guys.
And by the way, guys, I'm not wearing this hat for free. There was a charge, so yeah, with the explanation for me wearing this hat is not for free. So maybe we discuss that later. But thank you for supporting us, guys, and please enjoy the rest of this video. And if you like the video or any other video, just
like the video. Huh?
Jesus is baby!
The little light Jesus.
That's Mary! That is
Tree. Come. It's lovely.
wow!
You know, I gotta tell you. Tally, say cheese. Wave. Lovely creation. It's very nice. It is beautiful. Stop there. Say hi, Sweetfam.
Hi, Sweetfam.
Guys, we can go now. Let's go. Yes, a grass chair. squad, we're just showing you what we prepared for our Christmas dinner. We have got some ham here, some honey glazed ham, and of course we have to decorate it with the Christmas colors. Yeah, and across, as you see here, we got some sorrel wine and my Christmas cake. For those who have not yet tried their own Christmas cake, I've got a recipe. Easy, guys. Delicious Christmas cake, very moist and delicious. Very easy recipe. I'm going to put the link in the description. So yes, you know, we got children, so we have to stock up some goodies as well for what we call dessert, but we call it pudding here in London. Yeah, we're gonna have some sweets after. Yeah, with our macaroni and cheese pie made by yours truly, Richard. Yeah, and as we go along here, we got some fried chicken and some Barbie fry. You know, we're the sweet squad, so we have to put some sugar and sweet up the meal. Yeah, some more snacks for the children, and our oxtail done by Richard again. Yes, guys, we had our rice and peas. We didn't have any gunga rice and peas, but yeah.
Guys, just watch this. Guys, just watch the two birdie did.
Stally in the background. And here we got some rum punch, guys. We got some Guinness punch. Yeah, we got our potato salad, coleslaw, and my oxtail. Very good.
Are you gearing up, kid?
That's my napkin.
Finish praying?
Yeah. Close your eyes to say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, everyone. Close your eyes and say Christmas tree. Close your eyes and say Christmas. That's my
So now it's time to open our presents, guys, and we are sharing this moment with you as we open up our presents. So go on, guys, and take up your presents. So guys, we hope you enjoyed our video, and remember to subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Have a very Merry Christmas, and we wish you a prosperous New Year. We wish you all the best. We wish all your dreams come true and all the best. So until the next vlog, peace out.